Have you ever thought that a rough, spiky plant, traditionally used for making simple ropes or cosmetics, could one day transform into a silky, flawless, luxury wig? Today, we are taking you into an incredible world of modern technology. Here, nature's raw textures are shaped into a highly valuable beauty product through human ingenuity and robotic precision. Today, we will explore how these wigs are made in a completely sustainable way without harming the environment, and discover their amazing benefits. The greatest benefit of this entire process is its eco-friendly nature. Wigs are typically made from synthetic or plastic fibers, which are heavily damaging to our environment. However, here, we use a completely natural element, agave plant fibers. This plant requires very little water to grow and does not deplete soil fertility. The moment these massive plants arrive at the factory, an extraordinary transformation begins. This is where the heavy mechanical magic happens. This is known as the decortication process. Under the immense pressure of powerful crushing machines, the plant's unnecessary parts and juices are separated, leaving behind strong, long natural fibers. These natural fibers are extremely durable and lightweight, making them far more comfortable and healthier to wear on the head compared to artificial fibers. After being washed and dried, these fibers begin to reveal their true potential. Through a specialized process, they are straightened and flawlessly dyed. Chemically produced synthetic hair can cause allergic reactions for many, but this natural fiber is 100% hypoallergenic. This means it is completely safe and highly beneficial for individuals with sensitive skin or those who have lost their hair due to medical treatments like chemotherapy. This journey of turning a rough, thorny bush into one of the world's most luxurious and eco-friendly wigs is truly inspiring. It's not just about fashion or beauty. It is a prime example of how we can utilize nature's elements to reduce plastic use and build a sustainable future. Which part of this natural transformation surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing industrial processes. See you in the next video. Thank you.